to the channel, welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another cooking video and part 2 of my Chef Tries Military Rations videos. Now before we start, I want to make a quick little, wording correction from my last video. Of course, if you guys watched it, you know I was calling it MREs, which is still correct, but for our Canadian military, as was pointed out by another one of my friends who's in military, we actually call them in Canada IMPs, so individual meal packs, whereas the MRE is more commonly referred to the American rations as meals ready to eat. So in a way they are both interchangeable, but just I guess a quick little correction for, of course, doing the Canadian rations as I am. We call them IMPs in Canada, they're called MREs in the USA, and I'm assuming other parts of the world. So with that aside, this video will be a little bit shorter than the last one, hopefully. I'm not going to bore you with the whole process like I did last time. I've had to actually make the food, but I did in the last video say that I would kind of show you guys what a kit would look like, what a complete IMP or ration kit would look like. So I have everything laid out on the table just in front of me here, so we'll point the camera down and I'll get right into showing you exactly what would come in one of these packages. Alright, so as you can see, here's everything laid on the table. Now, I will point out that everything I have here does not consist of exactly one kit. I just want to kind of show you the different styles and the different things that would typically come in a kit. As I mentioned, unfortunately, I don't have a full attachment anymore, as when I opened everything I received, I made sure that there was no rips in packages and nothing had been spoiled. But I can give you guys a general sense of what would come in a kit. So, usually a kit is going to come with whatever your main food is. So the last time I tried the bacon and hash browns. I think today off camera I'm going to try, or maybe on camera, I'm going to try the poutine. So typically you're going to have a pouch like this that comes in your kit, or you're going to have something in a box like so, which just has a pouch inside of it. This is a baked beans one, which we'll try in another video. So I guess if I break it down, so typically, I guess a kit is going to look something like this. So you're going to have whatever your main food item is. You're going to have some kind of accompaniment. So this is a pouch of sliced peaches. So you're going to have some kind of accompaniment with it. You're usually going to have a drink. So I have this wild berry yogurt mix in a big package like this. Or we have this sports drink. I guess like a Gatorade or Powerade type in this little package. Here you're going to get maybe sometimes both, but usually one or the other. And sometimes you're going to get this little package of coffee, which is good. Instant coffee. It already has the creamer mix built into it, so just add water or and stir and you're good to go. Or if you want, they have these plastic bags, which after further reading I discovered that these are used for the sports drink and or for the coffee, so you would fill it up to your line there, give it the shake, and you're good to go. Also in your pack, obviously, of course, well, I shouldn't say obviously, of course, you're going to have eating utensils. So I told you guys last time how excited I was for the spork. So you're going to get your spork like this. You're going to get a napkin as well. I don't have one on the table, but you're going to get a napkin. And then in some cases, you get a little bag of mints. In this case, we have Tic Tacs here. These are really cool. Actually, I might show this on video or another video. These are actually a little compressed napkin, so you just add water to this and it expands, but it's really cool. It looks like it's a little mint or something. Definitely don't want to eat it. But yeah, definitely looking forward to maybe this video or the next to show you guys how this works. Little thing of Tabasco sauce just for some extra hot sauce flavor. And then also what you might find in a kit is a cereal. So we have this Wild Berry Crunch cereal in a little package. You can just add hot or cold water, mix it up until you're happy with your result. We have a trail mix here. This is a peanut butter banana. And actually, I did open one the other night just for a little snack, and it's really good. So another video, I'll show you guys what this is like actually on camera. And then you have, what I've seen is kind of your two styles of bread. So you have your tortilla wraps in flat packets like this. You can feel obviously that it's a flat tortilla. And you have your hamburger bun in this package. So again, either later in this video or another one, I'll be opening one of these to show you guys. And last but not least, we have our little packets of either peanut butter or jam. So I just have a couple random ones of peanut butter and jam here. And so kind of any little breakdown of that is what you're going to find in the kit. So I guess just for a quick visual for what you would find in a kit, it's going to look something like this. So main accompaniment, of course, your utensil, maybe a little pack of coffee, your drink, your mixing drink bag. You're going to have your mint, your hot sauce, your little napkin. And then depending on what the meal is, you're going to have your bread, and maybe a jam of peanut butter. Typically, this is kind of what your kit's going to consist of. There might be one or two other small things in there, but yeah, this is basically what your kit's going to look like, and it's going to come in in another bag, which is all sealed up, and then you have all your components. And I should also mention that each individual meal kit is also kind of numbered and labeled on the main bag what it is. So if you have the poutine kit, let's say, you're going to have obviously your poutine and everything with it. And then you can kind of break down from there so you know, oh, this time I want to have the poutine, I want to have the baked beans. So you kind of already will automatically know what comes in each kit, because of course each kit is going to be similar in that regard. So there we go, everyone. As I mentioned, I don't want to make that video too long. I just wanted to actually show you guys kind of how your meal kit, or your ration, your MRE, your IMP is actually going to come together. Again, as I said, unfortunately I didn't have the whole complete bag, but you saw from what I had on the table there kind of what you would get in a kit. Like I said, there's I think maybe one or two more things that I don't have or that I might not have shown, but typically that's 95% from what I opened up is going to be what's in your kit. So yeah, like I said, short and sweet video for this one, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please go check out my previous video and stay tuned for some more, which I'm going to make as my cat makes an appearance on the back there. Excuse me, sir. Meow. Everyone say hello, Luke. Hi, Luke. Anyways, so yeah, guys, sorry, as I was saying, so yeah, if you haven't seen my previous video, please go check it out. If you enjoyed this one, give it a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for more. I'm going to be doing another one right now, kind of shooting back to back. So if you enjoyed this one, please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you all in the next one, which should be really soon. Bye.